I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just go above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on block, you just click on block here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, come here to numbers for from forging here contrast, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.